Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into a really cool question that I know many of you have been asking. Can ChatGPT provide news or current event information? Whether you're staying up to date with the latest headlines or exploring in-depth stories, we're going to break down exactly how ChatGPT can help you with that. Stick around for all the insights, and don't forget to check the pinned comment below for any additional resources. Let's get started. In our first segment, we're talking about how ChatGPT can provide general news updates. Now, while ChatGPT doesn't browse the internet in real time, it can still give you a solid overview of key events and issues up until its knowledge cutoff. Let's take a look at how you can ask ChatGPT for a quick news summary. Now, let's say you want to get an update on a major topic, like let's say global warming. Here's how you could phrase that question to ChatGPT right over here. See, can you summarize the latest news on global warming? There we go. Now, once you've asked ChatGPT this by entering and let ChatGPT do all the work with the results, it will pull from the most recent information it has up until its cutoff, giving you an accurate picture of what was happening in that space at that time. Here we go. All right, as you can see, there's some processes. Yes, here we go. Searched for 4 results. There we go. See, ChatGPT is currently providing the detailed breakdown of the key events and updates on global warming up to its knowledge limit. And yep, here we go. And there are the sources right here: Carbon Brief, Science Daily, World Wildlife Fund. All right, so see how ChatGPT had processed with this information. So while this info may not be the most accurate, it's still a helpful snapshot, especially if you're looking to catch up on past developments or trends. See? Now let's talk about one of the most powerful ways to use ChatGPT: deep diving into specific events or topics. Whether it's a historical conflict, a political situation, or a major scientific discovery, well, ChatGPT can summarize the key details in a way that's easy to digest. Now let's walk through how this works by asking about an ongoing international conflict. You may be familiar with what I'm about to craft it as a prompt example. So let's say you want to understand the background of a conflict between two countries. Now you're going to be more familiar with that. So you could ask ChatGPT to explain the key events leading to that conflict. Here's how you might phrase it. Here it is, see? You can see the well-known Palestine, Israel, the conflict. Yep, this is what I brought up here. So once I submitted the question, ChatGPT will compile the most relevant information it has, providing you with a historical overview and key milestones that shape the situation. However, it all depends on what the results would come out from ChatGPT. So let's send this off right now. All right, so as you can see, ChatGPT has processed the results and provides a concise summary of the events that can lead to the conflict itself. It highlights the major moments and figures involved, helping you quick grasp the broader context of what's happening. So this kind of response is great if you're looking to understand complex situations in a short amount of time. Now, if you find this video helpful so far, don't forget to subscribe to get notified whenever we post a new video. And if you could take just 2 seconds to smash that like button, it would help us get traction in the YouTube algorithm. For our final segment, let's explore how ChatGPT can help you analyze or discuss news topics in a more nuanced way. This is especially useful when you're trying to form opinions, comparing different perspectives, or even engage in debates around major issues. So instead of just summarizing the facts, ChatGPT can break down both sides of a topic, helping you develop a well rounded understanding. Let's take a complex topic like renewable energy, for instance. If you want to weigh the pros and cons, you can simply ask ChatGPT to analyze both sides of the issue. Here's how you might phrase that through a prompt. Right here, can you provide the pros and cons of renewable energy based on current research? All right. Once you submit this, ChatGPT will generate a balanced response presenting both the benefits and challenges associated with renewable energy. It's a great way to get a clear picture of the arguments on both sides. Right, let's see how ChatGPT would do. All right, so as you'll see here, ChatGPT currently processes a thoughtful analysis listing currently the advantages or the pros right here, like sustainability, decreased operational costs, and technological advancements. And right there, see, right, the cons here, high initial costs, energy transmission challenges, resource intensity of manufacturing. And yeah, so while ChatGPT won't give you an opinion, it presents the facts in a way that allows you to form your own conclusions. Here's the one listed down here, the main points and more details here in each of these. See, these could be helpful for you to understand. And yeah, that's about it for today's video. So I hope this gives you a clear idea of how ChatGPT can assist you with news and current event information.